Hi guys, with Passion for Electronics here. So we've got today Onkyo TX SR507. Just testing it. Seems to be sound pretty nice. Coming with remote. It's 7.1 amplifier, Dolby True HD, DTS, Master Audio, DTS, Audacity, Cinema Filter, RDS.